Hi, everyone. Welcome to my ABC Master English Academy. I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. In this channel, we'll keep it short, simple, and fun. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, you're in the right place. In today's lesson, we'll learn some useful sentences that you can use in everyday conversations. These are easy and super helpful. Between friends. 1. I have not seen you for a long time. I have not seen you for a long time. 2. How are you getting on? Well? How are you getting on? Well? 3. How is your brother? How is your brother? 4. He is busy with his studies. He is busy with his studies. 5. He is getting ready for his examination. He is getting ready for his examination. 6. How are things? How are things? 7. Everything is good. Everything is good. 8. Do you know anyone in the ministry? Do you know anyone in the ministry? 9. Yes, I have many friends here. Yes, I have many friends here. 10. What brought you to this part of the town? What brought you to this part of the town? 11. To get a passport. To get a passport. 12. Do you want my help for anything? Do you want my help for anything? Practice these sentences and you'll sound more natural in your English conversations. Keep watching for more lessons and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.